Join me as I dive into the mystery of Victorian England's fern obsession and try to uncover what really sparked this quirky craze. In this video, you'll explore the fascinating phenomenon of fern obsession in Victorian England, a trend that swept across social classes and transformed gardens and interiors alike. The Victorian era was a time of great change and upheaval, with rapid industrialization and urbanization transforming the way people lived and interacted with their surroundings. As cities grew and green spaces dwindled, people began to crave a connection to nature. At the same time, the rise of the middle class meant that more people had the leisure time and disposable income to pursue hobbies and interests. This combination of factors created a perfect storm of interest in botany and horticulture. The fern, with its delicate fronds and exotic appearance, became a particularly popular choice. Ferns were also seen as a symbol of refinement and culture, reflecting the Victorian obsession with aesthetics and beauty. The fern's intricate patterns and shapes made them a favorite among artists and designers, who used them as inspiration for textiles, wallpaper, and other decorative items. As the Industrial Revolution took hold, new technologies and transportation networks made it easier for people to collect and trade ferns, fueling the growing obsession. The fern's popularity was also closely tied to the development of new gardening techniques and the rise of the fernery, a specialized type of garden or conservatory designed specifically for growing ferns and other exotic plants. These ferns were often displayed in elaborate glass cases or terrariums, which allowed people to appreciate their beauty up close. The fern's ability to thrive in shaded, humid environments made it an ideal choice for these types of spaces. The fern craze reached its peak in the mid-1800s, with the establishment of fern societies and the publication of popular books on ferns that fueled this botanical passion. These societies brought together enthusiasts from all walks of life, who shared tips, traded specimens, and competed to see who could collect the rarest and most exotic ferns. The most famous of these societies, the Fern Fever Club, was known for its extravagant displays and heated debates over the merits of different fern species. Ferns represented more than just plants. They symbolized a connection to nature, status, and the complexities of Victorian life. They brought people together, sparked heated debates, and even fueled a bit of friendly competition. If you're curious about what drove this strange and wonderful trend, I'd love to hear your thoughts. So leave a comment and let me know. If you're interested in more quirky stories from the world of Victorian gardening, be sure to check out my next video on the subject.